Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter in the medium wheelbase. This Crafter is a rear-wheel drive and comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the solid paint colour candy white and features a half-painted front bumper. The vehicle also comes with the high roof option painted in the body colour. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels with the 20-hole design. The van comes with a full-size steel spare, and to the rear of the vehicle it comes with the rear-loading barn doors with the 270-degree hinges. Taking a look into the load area of the van itself, it comes fully ply-lined as well as having that hardened wooden floor along with multiple lashing points dotted throughout. There is a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle, allowing access into the load area from the side, and the vehicle comes without a bulkhead. Up front in the driver's cab, there are two single seats, both with two armrests apiece. Both of the seats are finished in the Austin cloth titanium black coloured fabric upholstery. Plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. The vehicle comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen multimedia system with DAB as well as App Connect. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.